If you're looking for quality while shopping for clothes and accessories, here's a tip. Stop buying everything in the women's section of your favorite stores and spend some serious time shopping the men's department. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 9 items that I've purchased in the men's section and a few ways in which you can style them. I will also discuss some of the best ways to shop for men's clothes and a few tips to keep in mind. So let's not wait and get started with the video. First, an oversized blazer is incredibly current in women's fashion and such a classic staple piece. Instead of going to the women's section, try instead one from the men's department. Wear it over anything, from a pair of jeans and a white t-shirt to a simple and elegant maxi skirt. If you want to keep the roominess of an oversized blazer, consider purchasing the size that you are in women's in men's as well. For instance, I'm usually a size small in women's, and if I would like the blazer to be a bit bigger on my frame, I would purchase the size small in men's. If I would prefer a more form-fitting version, size one down from your size in women's. It's easy to put together a look with this navy oversized blazer. For a more formal look, I've thrown on these structured tapered trousers, a navy turtleneck, and derbies. Another classic to consider when shopping in the men's section would be a white button-down shirt or really any version of a button-up. I prefer mine to be just a bit oversized and worn with either straight leg or tapered trousers. Simply tucking in the hem at the front of your jeans or trousers will help to define the waist a bit more, especially if your torso is long, or if you would like for the sleeves to go beyond your wrist. A button down from a men's section might be something to consider. This one from Uniqlo is such a great staple to have and quite affordable. I've purchased this item in a size extra small. The cuts and styles of menswear are generally simple and straightforward, and you'll likely be able to wear things a little bit longer. An accessory that I frequently purchase in the men's section are actually belts. Both affordable and structured well, these can be hard to find in women's department, but almost universal in the men's section. These pair well with jeans or trousers and are found to be available in a multitude of sizes and colors. Choose luxury pieces from Studio Nicholson or great affordable items from J. Crew, Uniqlo, or Arquette. Another accessory that I prefer are men's wallets. In certain instances, they have a bit more structure and are generally made to fit into pockets instead of purses, so they are more compact. If you aren't carrying as much and prefer a more minimal approach, men's wallets are something to consider. A few other accessories to consider when browsing in the men's section include scarves, sunglasses, hats, and even watches in this department are sometimes more affordable versions that fit well within my wardrobe. Sweaters and oversized cardigans purchased in the men's section are great to have on hand. Constructed well, cozy, slightly big, and available in so many different styles and colors, I love to wear them extensively throughout the cooler seasons and early into spring. I like a bit of a roomier feel in my sweaters and something that offers more length in the arms. This second-hand purchase of a gray crewneck sweater from J. Crew in a men's small pairs with so many different outfits and is also quite affordable. For something a bit more of an investment, this chunky oversized cardigan from Studio Nicholson is in this icy silver color and is perfect for the colder months. A tip to help you if you've never shopped in the men's section before is to start with brands that you already love in the women's department. When you find that piece, whether it be a jacket or sweater that caters to your personal style with a more masculine approach. We also cannot forget t-shirts. Purchased from either the boys section or the men's section, I find that a more boxier fit suits my current style. My shoulders are a little bit broader and I tend to do well with them extra small in men's. I find that the ones from Everlane are quite nice and pair well with anything from jeans to tapered trousers. I gravitate towards more neutral tones such as grays, beiges, and darks, and these ones from Everlane wear so well. Uniqlo and COS also offer a great affordable selection. I also have my eyes on these oversized versions from Cole Buxton. When purchasing something online, sizing charts can be incredibly helpful. Knowing your measurements, especially across your shoulders and length of torso, will help to guide you in how the garment might fit. Another piece to consider are men's jackets. From comfortable secondhand denim jackets to well-worn leather variations, there are so many options to choose from. In following what works best for me in sizing, I size one size down for a slimmer fit or keep my size, which is usually a small or medium, for a more roomier way to wear it. Another type of jacket that I just recently started wearing was a slightly oversized bomber jacket, such as this one from Everlane. Available in either beige, navy, or black, and constructed well, this jacket is both comfy and adds structure to my outfit. Perfect for the transition into spring weather. Men's jackets also offer more pockets, which is a plus. Some of my other favorite stores for men's jackets include Maison, Margiela, and Acne Studios. When it comes to sweatpants, if you prefer pockets, then the men's section might have what you need. These sweatpants from cotton are comfortable and slightly baggy, great for lounging or pairing with a knit and oversized coat for running errands during the day. Also, if you're looking for a hoodie that won't be too cropped at your midsection, consider one from the men's section that has a slightly longer hem and longer sleeves as well. That concludes items that I have purchased from the men's department. Do you have any favorites? Please let me know in the comments below. Also, please like and subscribe if you found this information helpful and if it inspired you to venture into the men's department as well. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.